Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains App, and today we're at Carlisle on the West Coast Mainline. We're seeing services from Virgin Trains, Transpennine, Northern, Scotrail, and with any luck, some freight as well. 156448 has just terminated the service from Bower and Furness. 39114 is working the 1148 Virgin Train service to London Euston. And a West Coast Railways Class 37 will be going off to Carnforth at some stage. So I have to keep our peepers open for that one. Any historical background can be found in the description down below, because there's probably far too much to tell verbally. So let's see what shall turn up. Okay, 156444 is now departing with what I believe is going to be a northern service to Morpeth, unless I'm mistaken. As now departing is the 1149 Virgin Train service to London Euston. Yep, that's sort of made my ears bleed. Okay, and incoming now is the late running 1202 Virgin Train service to Glasgow Central, as we have a terminating northern service coming in from Newcastle. I think this might be the RAF liveried unit, but that was at quick glance. It's 156480. 100 years of the Royal Air Force, along with 390009. Treaty of Union. Is there going to be a simultaneous stop? I tell you what, yeah, not far off there. I think that was right on the money. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1207 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Airport to Edinburgh Waverley. Just saying how bumpy those lines are. This is worked by 35404. Did I say Glasgow Central or Edinburgh Waverley? Well, it's off to Edinburgh Waverley. If I did say it previously beforehand, I can't actually remember. Honestly, I've got a brain like a sieve. I remember completely useless information, and yet anything vaguely useful just goes completely down the Swanee. Okay, the next train driver is a terminating northern service from Leeds. 158754 is leading in a 153. Looks like it's the former Great Western Railway 153. 153,380. Lovely. Okay, departing now is the 1207 Virgin train service to London Euston from Glasgow Central. £391.57. Making a healthy racket. Okay, about ready to depart now is going to be the 1210 Northern service to Barrow-in-Furness with 448. Okay, the 37's got a green light. That's a little two-tone. Go on, girl. Fantastic. 37,685. Oh, yes, please. That's a beautiful sight. Okay, about ready to depart now. It's going to be 156462 with the 1220 Scotrail service to Dumfries. I almost said service. I can't know because I actually tried it then, but it almost came out as a Scottish accent then, which is slightly odd. Didn't even try to. But then when I tried to do it, I failed. Do love that livery. Okay, departing now is the 12:25 Northern service to Newcastle. With 156,480. With a cracking livery. Okay, coming in now is going to be the 12:34 Transpennine Express service from Glasgow Central to Manchester Airport. This is worked by 350,407. With a superb central shot of one of the catenary masts. Okay, about ready to depart now is going to be the 12:34 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. Okay, and arriving now is going to be a terminating Scotrail service from Glasgow Central. This is worked by 156,513. That's quite a full service as well. I do like that livery. Okay, the next train's making an appearance is going to be the 12:47 Virgin train service to Glasgow Central, worked by 390,107. That sounded healthy. Okay, and turning up now is 158903 with a terminating northern service from Morpeth. Stopped to perfection. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1247 Virgin train service to Glasgow Central. As we have coming in the 1249 Virgin train service to London Euston with 39141. Lovely. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1249 Virgin train service to London Euston, as the 1253 Northern service to Morpeth is also departing. Acceleration-wise, the 158 is just taking it. However, the 390 is now starting to pull ahead. As we also have coming in a terminating northern service from Bower and Tennis, 156454. Again with a very full service. Perfect. Okay, the next freight train to pass through, and a pleasant rarity for me, is going to be a pair of Freightliner 86s going from Coatbridge to Felixstowe. They look and sound incredible. 86-637 will be leading, with 86-639 trailing. I'll tell you what, that did well of stopping there. Okay, look at the state of it. She's a right state. But on the flip side, she looks stunning. I'm so glad they've still got 86s running around. Oh, hope if I pause that as well. Okay, there's going to be some bowlage here thanks to 39125. Working the late running 1301 service to Edinburgh Waverley. I can see in the windows, it's only just in front of me, so there might still be a glimmer of hope. Yeah, thank you, Virgin Stagecoach. Come on, get a wriggle on. Move your berth. I do love the 86. They are beautiful locomotives. pulling a decent length train as well. Happy I saw that. Dead chuffed. Okay, departing now is 156454 with the 1307 Northern Service to Lancaster. Okay, the next train to row is going to be the 1317 Transpennine Express service to Glasgow Central. As the 1313 Virgin train service to London Euston from Glasgow Central is, I believe, making her preparations to depart. And in fact, the Transpennine set is going over here. Of course it is. Okay, 350-409 gets the honours. Okay, next part is going to be the 1313 Virgin train service to London Euston. A very grotty 221110 is leading. On the rear is 221112. Okay, the next train driver is going to be a terminating northern service from Newcastle. This is worked by 158816. I'm not sure how I feel about the green roof. That's more turquoise. Oh, it's horrible. Okay, departing now is the 1332 Northern service to Newcastle. with a 158.816. Okay, coming in now is an empty Caledonian sleeper movement from Polmardy MD to Wembley Intercity Depot, led by 90049 with the old Mark 2s and 3s. I will happily take that. Okay, coming in now is a terminating northern service from Leeds, worked by a pair of 158s, get it right. As the 1335 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport is departing, 158902 is leading, 35406 is now running away. And 158850 is on the rear of this. Okay, coming in now is 156487 with a terminating northern service from Lancaster, as the 1340 northern service to Leeds is now departing. 153380 is leading that away. And 156482 is on the rear of this. That was a belter. Well, that was a fantastic tone from the driver there, and outstanding acceleration. Fantastic. Well, as she continues on, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you'd like to stay, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. Well, I'll tell you what, this station's been an absolute belter. Fantastic from start to finish, I cannot fault it in the slightest. Absolutely spectacular, it really has been. Dead chuffed it came back here, and certainly one that I must pay more attention to. But my next station is going to be Preston. Really looking forward to filming there, that's always a belter to go to. So yes, until next time, from me here at Carlisle, I shall see you all later. Take care guys, goodbye.